Hi, I'm Frankie.
Hi, I'm Chai.
And we are with Patriot Pros. A common question we get asked by homeowners is how long should they wait until they replace their air filter? I could say that it definitely depends on a few factors. One being how many pets do you have? What kind of area do you live in? Is it very dusty? And also how clean are you wanting the air? The main point of a filter is to actually protect the unit. So we typically recommend to replace it every month, but if you open up the filter and the filter's clean, then feel free to put it back in and wait another month.
An example of this would be a dirty filter on our left here and a clean filter like this.
To charge your unit, that means to add refrigerant to your unit. That is the liquid that is flowing from the outside unit to the inside unit and back, which allows the air conditioner to get cold and provide you with cold air. So another common problem that customers end up having when they call us up is that their air conditioner is freezing up. It's important to know that your air conditioner is only going to freeze up for one of two reasons. One being a lack of airflow. A lack of airflow, that could come from having a dirty air filter. It's important to have good airflow through the system because as the air conditioner is working, this part right here is getting very cold. And if you don't have airflow to heat this up, then it will freeze over. Another thing would be low refrigerant. Believe it or not, the less refrigerant you have in the system, the colder this gets. So if you have too low of refrigerant, it'll actually cause your evaporator coil, is what it's called, to get way too cold. So as the airflow is trying to move through there, it's still not able to warm up the evaporator coil and keep it from freezing. Chai, how would our customers know what size air conditioner they need for their home?
The size of the air conditioner depends on the square foot of their home, and to be sure that it's properly sized for their home, reach out to a professional.
Those are some tips about your air conditioning unit. If you have any questions or concerns, give us a call.